Okay, next, it takes a force of 130 newtons to stretch a spring by 50 centimeters. Find the work done, no? In stretching the spring 20 centimeters beyond its natural unstretched length. Okay? So to solve this, ang work done ng spring, no? Or pag sinabi mong work, that is just the force times the displacement. Okay, ngayon kung spring yan, okay, so ito kunwari natural length niya, LO. Okay, pagka nag-apply ka ng load, F, no, mai-stretch siya, no? Yan, mai-stretch siya by a certain length, X. Okay? So lumalabas yung work done, yung force, yung relationship ng force at saka nitong X is alam natin dapat na equal sa KX. Okay? So, ngayon nga lang ang kaibahan kapag kasi spring, ano hindi constant yung F natin. Dahil as we stretch the spring, mas lumalaki yung F na kailangan para para ma-stretch mo pa siya. No? Kaya dito, ang ginagawa natin, pwede natin gawin is pwede tayong mag-analyze na using the differential. So, di ba yung differential stretch? Okay, ay kakailanganin mo ng differential na force. Okay, kaya mangyayari yung differential force ay equal sa K times differential X. And then ano ang work? Ang differential work will be equal to differential force times X. Okay? Wherein, ang differential work will be equal to, ano ba to? K dx, di ba? Tapos Kx dx na siya. So pag in-integrate, no, that will be our total work done. Okay? Now, para ma-compute yung K, binigyan naman tayo dito, no, na ito yung force para sa displacement na 50 cm. Okay? Or in meter, that's 0.5 meter. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, mako-compute natin yung K kasi ang K is force over X. From F is equal to Kx. So, we have 130 over 0.5. So, that's 260 Newton per meter. Okay, so work done is the integral of 260 Newton per meter x dx. Ang limits is from 0 to 20 centimeter, 0 to 0.2. Okay, and the work done is equal to okay, so 5.2 joules. Okay? Or, alternatively, kung kabisado nyo yung work done ng spring na formula, which is 1/2 kx squared, pwede na rin itong gamitin. No? Kaya lang, ito, magagamit natin kapag ano lang ha, kapag ang reference natin is from the initial length, no, or yung original length. So, pag ginawa natin to, direct substitution lang. So, 1/2 ng k times 0.2 squared. So, lalabas dyan, same lang, 5.2 joules. Okay? Same lang din. Pero pinakita ko lang din yung basic na para alam din natin. Okay? So that's how we solve this problem.